we're going to look at jackrabbit on the foam roller. So this is a reformer exercise taken down onto the mat. Now to start, you're going to bring that foam roller right underneath your shins. Now it needs to be higher up than you expect because that roller is going to be moving up and down your legs. Walk your hands forward because we're going to be coming out into a plank. So pointer fingers pointing straight up your mat, hands turned slightly outwards, and press down into your arms. At this point, you want to press down into your feet and come out into a plank. We're going to pull those knees towards us and then extend the legs back. Your body weight is going over your hands, and we're trying to roll that roller up and down your shins. This is a big abdominal exercise. But as you can see and hear, I'm finding it a little bit more difficult to talk, but I can. So I'm still breathing. My bottom's trying to stay at roughly the same height. We're going to go 2 more. And then pause, just bend those knees, walk yourself back, take that roller out, and well done for doing a jackrabbit.